Arhaus is where luxury meets organic, modern, and artisanal pieces from all over the world. They focus on sustainability, and if that speaks to you, then you're going to love this video. I like the minimalist aesthetic of this lamp. Clean, simple lines, you just can't go wrong there. The base is made of solid iron, and I love this fluted linen shade. This was a Goodwill pickup for only $4.99. There's an area where there's a little crack in the brass, but honestly at that price you can't beat it, and it's so similar to the Arhaus piece. So I found the perfect shade for this lamp and it was only $5. This side table is $1,000. It comes with a solid iron base and a petrified wood top that was sourced from the Philippines, and I love the organic shape. To recreate this look, I'm using this table that I purchased from Five Below for only $2.50 on sale. I'm also going to give it a quick coat of black spray paint so that it looks just like our inspo. So I really lucked out by finding this bamboo cutting board. It was only $2 on sale, and it's going to be perfect for the top of the table because it also has a similar shape. To achieve the petrified look, I started off by using some dark walnut stain for my base color, and then I used a mixture of different paints to get the petrified look. However, I didn't like how it was turning out, so I ended up wiping off the paint and settled on just using the dark walnut color for my table. So here's my question. If we're using faux leather, why is it still so expensive? I love the mid-century modern silhouette of this chair, but not the $560 price tag. I was lucky enough to find a thrifted version at a church yard sale for just $5. I'm a huge fan of handmade pottery because no two pieces are quite the same. I love all the details on this vase. I love the handles, I love the writing, but it is $560. This vase was thrifted for only $6, and I love the carvings along the sides, similar to our inspo piece. I also love that it came with these bent wood handles and also a stand, so there are different options in how you can display or use this piece. I really like this vase from Arhaus because of the overall mid-century feel. This brown version is no longer available. However, they do have the ivory version, but it only has one handle. My thrifted version is even better. This vase is very similar to the Arhaus version with the double handles and the two-tone glaze. However, I do feel like this one has way more details, and it was only $7.99. So brass is one of my favorite metals to design with, and when I saw these vases, my jaw dropped, particularly on the shorter one. I love how inconsistent the hammered detail is, and as this piece ages or gets older, that tarnishing is going to settle in those little crevices, and it's really going to create a nice textured look. This vintage brass vase was only $9.99 and it was quite a steal. It's similar in size to the smaller version from Arhaus, and I really like all the details on the bottom. This floral arrangement is quite beautiful. I love all the etching on the vase, and I'm a huge fan of hydrangeas. However, the price, why should a floral arrangement with fake flowers be $500? And yes, I know it will last forever, but I don't think it's worth it. So here's an alternative. This vase is stunning and it looks even better in person. I thrifted this for only $11.24 after a huge 75% off discount. I also want to add that it is quite heavy. So now for the flowers, I went to Hobby Lobby and I found these hydrangea stems for $11.99, and they usually go on sale every other week. However, the quality isn't the best. So that brings me to the next option, which is checking out Amazon. So on Amazon, you can actually find the Real Touch flowers. They're more silicone based or coated and they do look real, but as you can see, they do cost a little bit more. And I think this is more comparable to the Arhaus version. You'd likely need 2 bouquets just to give you a full look, so that would be around $60, plus the cost of resin to give you the appearance of fake water. So for the final option, I went to Trader Joe's to get real flowers. Now their hydrangea bunches comes in 2 different colors, in this beautiful green and also in white. And it's only $5.99, and I just got 3 bunches, and that gave me a really full arrangement. Now, of course, they're not gonna last forever, but sometimes you just want fresh florals in your home. Looking at the side-by-side comparison, the Arhaus total was $4,578, while the thrifted total was only $72.79. That means I saved over $4,500. Comment down below which was your favorite and let me know which stores you want to see me do next. As always, thank you guys so much for watching.